In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import profiles and scenes in OBS Studio. If you're an OBS user looking to transfer your settings from one device to another, or maybe you're just backing up your meticulously arranged scenes, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or a beginner, trying to ensure your streaming environment is portable and secure, this detailed guide will walk you through the process step by step. To start, make sure you've opened your OBS Studio app. This powerful tool, as many of you know, is beloved for its versatility in live streaming and recording. Having the app open and ready is the first step in transferring your essential streaming setups. Once you're in OBS Studio, the next thing you want to do is direct your attention to the top menu. Here, look for the Scene Collection drop-down. This menu is the control center for all your scene arrangements, where you manage the different setups you've created for various streaming scenarios. Clicking on Scene Collection will reveal several options related to managing your scenes. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Import/Export. This is your gateway to moving your profiles and scenes around. Selecting this will bring up a dialog box where you can choose between importing or exporting your scene configurations. Let's dive into exporting first. This process allows you to save your settings out of OBS Studio into a file, ready to be imported elsewhere later. Click on Export. The system will prompt you to choose a location on your computer to save your file. It's a good idea to save this in a place you can easily remember and access, like your desktop or a specific backup folder that you use frequently. Name your export file something descriptive so you can easily recognize it later. Now imagine you've switched to a new computer, or you're helping a friend set up their OBS with your finely tuned configurations. That's where importing comes into play. Head back to the Import/Export option in the Scene Collection menu, and this time choose Import. You'll need to navigate to the location where your export file is saved. Select it, and voila! Your scenes and settings will be loaded into OBS. It's as simple as that. These steps ensure your unique setups are at your fingertips, no matter where you're working from. Remember to periodically export your settings as a backup. It's a sensible habit to adopt, especially when you spend hours perfecting your streaming environment. I hope this tutorial helped demystify the process of transferring OBS profiles and scenes. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming!